Please don't skip my video. Don't skip my video. Listen to me. Look at this guy, Suryavanshi, only 14 years of age. He scored an amazing 100 yesterday against Gujrat Titans. In 14 years of age, he is a millionaire. Believe me, he scored 106 probably. He hit maybe 7 to 8 sixes. He hit sixes to, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, even Rashid Khan, arguably the best T20 bowler. Rashid Khan, can you even think of it? And if we think Rashid Khan and playing against Rashid Khan, we pee, we urinate. Mahmudullah is thrice the age of Suryavanshi. This guy can hit 3 sixes in an over to Shariful Islam, to Nahid Rana, to Taskin Ahmed easily. I must say, what our young generation doing, man? They're doing nothing. They are making relationship, short-term relationship. They're chatting with their girlfriends, with their just friends. They're they're masturbating. They're watching porn. They're playing just for fun, just for nothing, and not playing seriously. And this is the future of Bangladesh. We are not even studying properly. We are not doing our research. BUET is not doing research because of less investment out there, let alone other universities. So this is the reality of Bangladesh, and we are trying to change our Bangladesh, right? We are trying to mold, or we are trying to convert our Bangladesh into Malaysia, Thailand within very short time. No, this is beyond imagination. I can't take it anymore. Suryavanshi, man, 14 years of age. In 2017, he came with his father to watch IPL. Right now, his father is watching IPL, where his son made 100, mammoth 100. He punished every single bowler of Gujarat Titans. He's a millionaire. My gosh, only 14 years of age. No mustache, no beard, no mustache, let alone beard. Nothing. Only 14 years of age. Can you even think of that guy? This is crazy. Oh, Bangladeshi player, right? We are investing money in pond, maybe. Like we are investing money somewhere which doesn't have any value in Bangladesh. No, we shouldn't do that. I was a professional cricketer, but what's the future of Bangladesh cricket? No, Bangladesh cricket doesn't have future as of now. We need to change this.